This is Bogus Bob Dylan, and sometimes you have to change the strings on your guitar. These are the tools that you will need, along with the strings that you will need for restringing an acoustic guitar. Loosen the strings using the tuning heads. They don't have to be completely unwound at this point. Use the guitar tool to remove the bridge pins. Now remove the old strings from the tuning heads. Here are the new strings. Notice that they are color-coded. Take the colored knob end of the string and insert it in the bridge with the bridge pin, and run the other end of the string into the hole in the tuning head. Cut the string at about 2 tuning head spaces past the tuning head. Use a string winder to tighten the string on the tuning head. Repeat this process for the other 5 strings. Clip the ends of the strings and tune it, and you are ready to go. Please hit the like button and subscribe.